All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Maverick Concept Sabre. Here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. You can also check out Fablades.com if you are in the market to buy something, or you can also check out at Fablades on Instagram and connect and share your thoughts about those pictures I'm sharing over there. So let's go ahead and start with this fella here. We are going to need a T15 Torx bit to take this integral armored core boomerang titanium frame lock. Guys, this is insane. Gorgeous custom. Let's check the pivot for a second. Very shallow. So pay attention. You need like a high quality bit. In this case, I'm using Weabits T15 and just pushing and just being really careful. We don't want to scratch anything from this beautiful blade. Here you got the pivot screw out. Just gonna deploy the blade. Then I'm just grabbing this hard plastic tool to push the pivot out gently, like so, and then just pulling it from this side like that. And as you can see, you get like a zirca pivot collar. Look at that. How cool is that? Very well made. The pivot stayed right here in the back. And I think now we can actually pull this guy out. You can see that there's bearings I'm just gonna go very gentle here. These are skiff bearings, by the way. You're gonna need like a microfiber cloth to clean the bearing tracks on the inside and clean the bearings right over here. Ceramic ball bearings for this guy. You can see actually the stop pin there, nicely hidden. That is very interesting. And then I'm just gonna clean inside here. That is pretty good. Look at this frame, guys, for a second. This is nuts. It's incredibly light, actually. Hold on a second. Let me just quickly check the weight on this guy because it's just insane. Yeah, 1.54 ounces. That is pretty light for sure. Yeah, okay, let's go on. I am wasting your time. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you're enjoying this process here. 4 drops. That's a little bit too much. Let's do 3 on this side. Here we got some nice and peculiar blade. This is armored core. Boomerang Damascus, and we got our bearings in, and we're gonna do just gently this guy. I'm gonna pry it out a little bit like that, and this guy is in like so. Let's do the pivot back in, nice and gentle. Just pop the collar on the other side. Not a biggie, because the tolerances are pretty cool and nicely done on this one. So it's not a problem. Just gonna have to do this. And releasing the tension. I'm just gonna do a little bit of nano oil on the detent in a second. Just securing this pivot over here. Nice ceramic ball. I'm doing 10 weight nano oil on the detent as well, like so. There is no over travel lock bar stabilizer in this fella, and because it's an integral, you just want to be careful with that. There is no blade play. This is still like a brand new knife, new from CCKS. So still needs a little bit of breaking in period, but oh boy, it's actually nice. A little bit of oil. Oh, look at that. Nice and snappy, actually. See, it doesn't drop shut. There's no guillotine effect, but you just need a little wiggle. Look at that, because this blade is thick. Very, very cool sound indeed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And really, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.